So my truck, this is an E Series 350, will not come out of park, and it's a known problem with these cars. And in the, I think the Super Duty cars, there's basically a safety that does a couple things. All that safety does is make sure that if you get in the car, when you pull down, you don't put the car in drive on these heavier cars. I'm not sure. It might as well be a thing that happens at 70,000 miles on these cars. So to start, you have to remove this lower panel, which is easy. You just pry it out and drop it. Depending on the car you have, you could have other attachments and stuff like that. And the next thing, I'll have to reach in to this little plunger here. See if I can reach in this plunger here, just pull it down, put the key in, and it should allow you to, with your foot on the brake, all the way down. So this allows you to put the shifter all day. You pull on that plug, the shifter will come down. Then you're going to push the steering wheel all the way down at this point, and then you're going to go ahead, just grab the inside of the dash here and start pulling it out. There's just clips holding it on. The hardest area is right here. It just sucks to get this thing off. So you got to remove all these connections underneath here. There's just a tab. There's just a tab you pull in there. It'll remove that one for the dimmer switch. And then up top, you might have this one if you have, I think, four-wheel drive. But I'm going to try to remove. Jeez, what a pain in the ass. Alrighty. Alright, so the dash is out of the way. That was a real pain in the butt. I'm not going to disconnect all this. I just need it far enough away to get the cluster out to get to that part. And that part is right there. Okay, clusters out. So I end up having to remove the 4 bolts here. There's one there, 2 in the back. There's 4 of these bolts to drop the steering column. What a pain of a design. Oh my God, just horrific. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing off. Not fun, kind of irritating in fact. Okay, old one. There's a little hole there. That hole's got to go inside that hole there when you screw it down. So instructions do call for Loctite. I'm just going to put a tad of a dab on it, not much, on this. reconnect this plug, which I believe goes that. Reconnect it, so there's 2 plugs on this. Both are reconnected. Always recommend you hook the one up before you plug it in, but this thing's in there tight. Now I get to put the steering column back on.
AccuWeather, and they say that's really best for the Midwest states. And if you want to see this listen entirely, head over to commando.com and just search for weather. All right, Bill Conway.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.